So guys, come on, let me welcome with my friends Amar and Arun together. We are inviting Kumar and Shivaram Krishna!
देखिए ये एक टॉक मैं आजकल दे रहा हूँ, उसका नाम है अवेयरनेस, कि आपको कुछ एक डीप कॉन्सेप्ट, थोड़ा सा डीप कॉन्सेप्ट समझाना है. प्लीज़ बैठिए, प्लीज़ सिट डाउन. जब कुछ होता है स्टेज में, लाइफ में कुछ भी होता है ना, कई लोग कितना उससे एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं, राइट? अभी आई वॉज अ गुड स्टूडेंट, बट आई वॉज नॉट नो रियल क्यूरियोसिटी इन इंजीनियरिंग. जिनकी क्यूरियोसिटी ज़्यादा है ना, वो थोड़ा इन डेप्थ में समझते हैं. दे बिकम मोर अवेयर, राइट? आई एम एन इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर. I knew how to get good grades, and that's it. But I didn't have a real urge to जो डेप्थ में कुछ सीखना, वो नहीं था. But in life, everybody has got some field where they become aware, right? More aware than others. Intuitively उनको पता चल जाता है. मेरे स्कूल में एक बंदा था, वो मेरे को पूछता था, कुमार, I never see you listening to songs, but you know all the Kishore Kumar songs. How come? I said, just like you know electronics. His name was Kadir Kamanathan. उसको कभी किताब के साथ देखा नहीं है हमने, लेकिन he was always topping in electronics because he had a natural aptitude, जिसे बोलते हैं ना, right? Why am I talking about this? ये थोड़ा लंबा चलेगा ना? It's okay? आप रुक सके? घर में A60 is done, A59 is done, A60 is done, right? I want to see every one of you at our home, right? So don't book your tickets till you talk to me. कभी न्यू जर्सी, लास वेगास के बाद आएंगे, उससे पहले आएंगे, न्यूयॉर्क सिटी जाएंगे. We'll make all the arrangements, man. It'll be great, okay? Awareness, right? अभी कॉकरोच को देखो. कॉकरोच का अवेयरनेस क्या होता है? Very little time and very little space. Awareness is what? Awareness को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं यार? जागरूकता. Are you sure? That is awakening, no? जागरूकता is fine? Okay, चलो. I'll just say awareness. आप समझ लो. ये भी एक कॉकरोच का अवेयरनेस बहुत लिमिटेड है. अवेयरनेस इज अ मैटर ऑफ टाइम एंड स्पेस, राइट? सो अ कॉकरोच कैन ओनली अंडरस्टैंड इमीडिएटली क्या हो रहा है. बत्ती ऑन हो गया, भागो, राइट? दैट्स ऑल इट नोस. बाद में कुछ नो, डॉग इज लिटिल मोर अवेयर. अभी डॉग कैन रिकग्नाइज, व्हेन यू कम इन. कॉकरोच ऐसा नहीं कि 10 साल से आपके घर में है, तो अगर आप घर में आ रहे तो आगे भाग के आपके पास नहीं आता है, राइट? ओके, डॉग कैन रिकग्नाइज इट्स मास्टर, राइट? थोड़ा ज़्यादा अवेयरनेस है. ऐसी अवेयरनेस इंक्रीज होता है as you go into the different levels of beings. Humans are supposed to be most aware. जागरूकता is good? Okay, thank you. जो human beings हैं, उनका जागरूकता एकदम मस्त होना चाहिए, right? Okay, but even human beings are not equally aware. People are aware at different levels. अभी ultimate awareness is the saints.
Yeah.
But what does that mean? Okay, some men and women are like cockroaches. उनका अवेयरनेस ऐसे ही होता है. भी समझो आपने मेरे को अभी इंसल्ट किया, कुछ बोल दिया सबके सामने. अगर मैं इमीडिएटली आपको अटैक करूं, आपको इंसल्ट करूं, आई एम नॉट अवेयर ऑफ टू थिंग्स. आई एम नॉट अवेयर ऑफ स्पेस, कि ये लोग खड़े हैं मेरे पीछे, ओके? मेरी फैमिली है, मेरी सिस्टर है, आप लोग हो, किसी का बच्चा है, कुछ नहीं देख रहा हूं, एंड आई जस्ट अटैक यू बैक. ओके, दैट इज लिमिटेड स्पेस अवेयरनेस. टाइम अवेयरनेस, मैं ये नहीं सोच रहा हूं कि आपने मेरे को इंसल्ट किया, उसका असर 5 साल के बाद क्या होगा, फर्क पड़ेगा कि नहीं. दैट टाइम अवेयरनेस, राइट? ओके, तो क्या होता है कि आई जस्ट रिएक्ट. बट सी, द मोर मेच्योर पीपल आर मोर अवेयर ऑफ व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, नॉट जस्ट व्हाट दे सी, लिटिल बिट मोर. सो स्टेज में जब रणवीर और प्रिसिला बोल रहे थे, कुड यू सी बियॉन्ड व्हाट दे, द रियल एसेंस, the real reason why they are successful? I could pick it up like this, because I know that यहाँ पे लोग हैं जिनके ग्रुप शायद जिनके 4th, 5th और 6th लेग उनके लेग से स्ट्रॉन्गर है लास्ट ईयर टू दिस ईयर. What made the difference? First thing is he's a big dreamer. That is what you have to notice. He's not afraid of dreaming. Okay? वो 200 करोड़ का मकान डाल देगा ड्रीम में. You need guts to do that, okay? And confidence, total, complete confidence. This is the essence of Brit teaching, Ranbir, whether you realize it or not. Confidence Confidence happens by the way you speak. If you speak like he can speak, when you have absolutely nothing, you will have what he has. So I see people के बातों में थोड़ा, they start to, they say they are happy and they believe, but their face doesn't believe. Their mouth doesn't believe. Words are free to speak, right? But people are afraid to say it as boldly as you're saying, कि मेरा future ऐसा होगा, because they are afraid they may not do the work. You see what I'm saying? They are afraid that they are going to lack somewhere. See, the enemy of success in intellect. Well, I'll tell you where I am aware. Where I think that you have to be aware to succeed in life. You have to be people aware. You have to be dream aware. Okay? Now, I was not chemistry aware, but I am very people aware. I was definitely not organic chemistry aware. Okay? I was generally not aware in school, subject wise. I just knew about the kids in school, and I was aware of how to get the good grades and how to go to America. That I knew. Okay? Steve Jobs was very poor in his personal relationships. But he was aware of people in a different way. He knew how people would use the phone. समझे ना आप क्या बोल रहा हूँ? See, so you have to, in this business or any other business, you have to be people aware. Okay? You have to see beyond what you're seeing. Anjali is very aware. She can be in the first class compartment and she will know that row number 28, there is an old lady trying to push a handbag and nobody's helping her. She will run back or she'll tell me to go. But she's extremely aware of what people need around her. Okay? Why is that important? Because that's important in this business. See, many people just show the plan mechanically. They're not looking at body language, what the people are saying, Who knows what has happened that day, I mean, 2 minutes before you show the plan, the wife may have slapped the husband. You don't know that. Some baat happened, she gave him one chata, and you're saying, मेरे को plan दिखाना है. ये react क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? Because, she's angry still, and he doesn't know what to do. And you're showing the plan. Now, I'm not saying you have to be a psychoanalyst, but people are always giving signals. There is no such thing. I have never been in a situation where 15 plan दिखाया, किसी ने sign up नहीं किया, because you're not aware. They're giving you signals, you're not paying attention. तुमको खाली 4th week night hall में qualify करना है. That's it. Right? But see, I want you to be aware. And awareness increase कैसे करते हैं business में? Products are excellent. There is no business without products. Yes? If you don't sell the products, there's no business, yeah? If you don't use and sell, yes? Yes? But products will not increase your awareness. You increase your awareness by listening to CDs, by reading books, okay? And spending time with people, observing people. See, you have a task. जो भी नए लोग हैं, relatively new people, even people who are in the business for a while, you have a task. Don't videotape, huh? Don't videotape this whole thing. Please don't. We should have told you in the beginning. But the celebration part was okay. We have a task. You have a task, new people. You have to spend a lot of time understanding people. See, Brian Tracy is a success guru. He has written many books. He says that success-minded people, okay, success-minded people spend 10% of their gross salary on self-development. Success-minded people spend 10%, अपना income का 10% वो अपने आप पे invest करते हैं. But people who are not success-minded do not do that. Okay? Now what is your neck down worth? Hard labor, construction people, how much do they make every day? Huh? How much do they make? कितना बनाते हैं construction जो hard labor करते हैं लोग? Per day कितना बनाते होंगे? 500 maximum, right? That part we take care of very well. यहाँ पे बहुत neck down part पे लोग अच्छा invest करते हैं. दिखाई दे रहा है मुझे. 3 बार खाना, अच्छे कपड़े, सब लोग पहनते हैं. But जो neck up है ना, this is where the problem is. I feel that most people are investing nothing in this. They are not investing anything. Even people who go to good religious meetings, or most people are in a panic state. वो faithful state में नहीं जाते, panic state में जाते हैं. People who go to temple, they think they're doing something positive. but अंदर से mostly they're going for in a desperate situation. Okay, they are not investing in themselves on how to build their own self-esteem, self-worth. Okay, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप अपने आप में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो कि कुछ मेंटल माइंड जो आपका जो मल्टी करोड़ है, ये तो सिर्फ दिन का 300-400 है ना, दिस हिस्सा, दिस पार्ट इज मल्टी करोड़. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपका इनसाइड आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट हो रहा है, कि यू आर चेंजिंग एवरी डे मेंटली, कि आपको दुनिया में तरह तरह की अवेयरनेस है जो पहले नहीं था आपको. ओके, बिकॉज यू आर रीडिंग इज वन ऑफ द 9 core steps इन आवर बिजनेस. मैं अभी रिसेंटली मैंने रियलाइज किया कि ज़्यादातर लोग बुक ठीक से पढ़ते नहीं हैं, क्योंकि मैंने जब बुक लिखा तभी मुझे पता चला. बिल ब्रेट के बारे में बुक लिखा, आयरन मैन सिल्क एंड हार्ट. आई थिंक इट्स अ नाइस बुक. फिर मेरे को पता है कि 80% लोग यहाँ पे ठीक से पढ़े नहीं होंगे उसको. अभी उसका हिंदी अनुवाद भी है. आई डोंट नो हाउ वेल यू कैन ट्रांसलेट, आई डोंट नो हाउ वेल दे डिड इट, आई एम नॉट श्योर. ओके, बट जो बिल ब्रेट का फीलिंग है, बीइंग विद बिल ब्रेट, राइटिंग अ बुक अबाउट हिम इज अ डिफरेंट डील. मुझे पता है कि ज़्यादातर लोग गुड फीलिंग है, कुमार ने बुक लिखा, अच्छी बात है, पिक्चर्स अच्छे हैं, थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ा, ओह क्या लिखा हमारे मेंटर के बारे में, एंड देन आई से 2 or 3 things, they don't know what I'm talking about, which is okay. Then I got suspicious कि जो मास्टर की टू रिचेस वैसे बुक हम रेकमेंड करते हैं, लोग नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं. मैं एक चीज़ बोलूँ, आई रीड वेरी स्लोली, आई डोंट रीड फास्ट. आई एम अ स्लो रीडर. मेरी वाइफ अंजलि है ना, और मेरी बेटियां हैं, वो ऐसे पढ़ते हैं, एक पेज. तो वेबसाइट में अगर अंजलि कुछ दिखा रही है मुझे, मेरे देखने से पहले हो गया नेक्स्ट पेज. मैं तो डम्ब एंड डम्बर की तरह ऐसे पढ़ता हूँ. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, बट व्हेन आई रीड इट बॉस, आई गेट इट. ओके, तो आई एम नॉट एम्बैरेस्ड टू से दैट आई एम अ स्लो रीडर. मैंने स्पीड रीडिंग का किट लिया, रणबीर. आई ऑर्डर्ड अ किट फॉर स्पीड रीडिंग, बुक के साथ आया वो. तो मैंने बोला छोड़ो यार, हम स्लो ही पढ़ते हैं. सो इफ यू आर अ स्लो रीडर, डोंट वरी. कई लोग बोलते हैं यार मैं अंग्रेजी ठीक से नहीं जानता, ये मास्टर की रिसर्च तो बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. अरे यार, इट इज रीड 2 pages a day, but understand it will change your life. आपका अवेयरनेस बढ़ेगा. See, life is actually, we are nothing but awareness. The old saints of India, उनको planetary motions का knowledge था. Even stars they knew, right? Star knowledge with not even a telescope, no instruments. How? Because through meditation they increase their time space awareness. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ सबको उतना महान बनो, ओके? मेरे को भी ऐसा इरादा नहीं है, क्योंकि मेरे को अभी भी बहुत मेटेरियलिस्टिक गोल है. जैसे बेंटली, पेंट हाउस. उससे पहले मेरे को वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, सैफरन कलर्ड क्लोथिंग पहन के संत नहीं बनना है. ओके, अभी नहीं फिलहाल. ओके, नॉट येट. ओके, बाद में देखा जाएगा. तो मैं अपने आप को वहाँ रखता हूँ. ज़्यादा अवेयरनेस थोड़ा ज़्यादा नहीं बढ़ाना है, अभी ठीक है. ओके, तो क्या है कि when see, awareness is everything. आप अगर एक घर में जा सकते हो and you become aware, little more aware, okay, you read more signals, your results will be 10 times better in this business. That's why मेरे को तो, I mean, you can't tell, हमेशा तो बोल नहीं सकते कि कौन बिल्ड करने वाला है, कौन नहीं बिल्ड करने वाला है. लेकिन कौन डायमंड जाएगा पता नहीं है, लेकिन कौन डायमंड नहीं जाएगा वो तो बहुत जल्दी पता चल जाता है मेरे को. Okay, so see, this, what I'm saying is, the system is really more than just trying to move the products in the marketplace. It is developing as a human being. Yesterday I was talking to 4 of my friends. Boss, my friends are doing, some of them, see, there are many kinds of friends and relatives. दोस्तों और रिश्तेदारों में बहुत different types के रिश्तेदार हैं. I am one of those few people where both my sisters are building the business. My parents built the business. My mother loves the business still. My dad loved it while he was still alive. My uncles are building the business. Very rare. ऐसा होता नहीं है. Ram and Nusha, we miss them dearly today. थोड़ा something is missing ऐसा लगता है ना कि founders emerald, right? They're all building the business. But बाकी के दोस्तों और रिश्तेदारों में 2 टाइप के हैं. एक मैं देखता हूँ जो अवॉइड करते हैं कुछ भी बोलना. ऐसा एक्ट प्रिटेंड करते हैं कि मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं. लेकिन जो सक्सेसफुल है ना, वो खुल के बात करते हैं, पूछते हैं क्या है, तुमको सिखाओ यार, व्हाट डू यू टॉक अबाउट. मेरे 4 रूबी हॉस्टल में था मैं, REC ट्रिची में इन कॉलेज. 100 Ruby, no, 99 Ruby was Ravi Vishwanathan. He is the number 2 guy, the chief marketing officer of TCS now. Okay? And 100 Ruby hostel was Sriram. He sold his company in the Bay Area in California called Niara Systems for several $100 million. 101 Ruby hostel was me, founder. Okay? These people, when we talked about the business, they had intelligent questions, you know. ये लोग सवाल पूछ रहे थे, treating it like an accomplishment. And I could, in a few minutes, I could tell them, I could explain to them why this is more than just about products selling. It is about people. It is about leadership building. They understood it like this. They knew what questions to ask because they are success-minded people. Do you understand? Your problem is the guy in the cubicle next to you at job. Okay, उसे बोलते हैं, हम क्या बोलते हैं? E quadrant, right? Let me talk to you about the E quadrant a little bit. Employee class. This is the biggest problem in life. This class. Okay? आप लोग में से कितने लोग employee class में हो? Okay? I'll tell you, you're not the problem. The class is the problem. Let me tell you what I mean by that. Okay? यहाँ से यहाँ transition करना है. Employees, you have heard me talk about this. You have probably heard your leaders talk about it. Employees क्या करते हैं कि they work for someone. They make little money. And my father was an employee in the government, but he made enough money at that time. The definition जो afford है ना, जो हम afford कर सकते हैं, उसका definition क्या हुआ करता था कि हम we can pay for the whole thing. My father saved up enough money to buy the whole apartment, not just EMI. You know, he bought 26,000 rupees में एक flat लिया था. उस time पे जमा करके थोड़ा करके, right? Okay. And that place is worth more than 2 crores now, but it's 26,000 rupees at that time, but he saved it. You could not get a bank loan, right? अभी afford का meaning अलग हो गया है. अभी afford का मतलब क्या है? You can make the EMI. And if you can buy a car, you can make the EMI, you can afford it, correct? See, we get into a trap, because क्या होता है कि we are trying to build a lifestyle through linear income. You know, you're getting a job income, उसमें से थोड़ा करके घर ले लिया, correct? फिर थोड़ा करके गाड़ी ले लिया. इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि अभी you become more trapped with your job, right? You become more dependent on your job. अगर इधर कुछ, अगर भाड़े का कमरा है, भाड़े का जगह है, रेंटल है, तो यहाँ से आप कहीं जा सकते हो. जॉब में कुछ हो गया, दूसरा जॉब में, अभी ये भी, इसका भी EMI भरना है, right? क्या करें अभी? You have got that, you can't get out of it. अभी उसको भाड़े में लगाओ, फिर दूसरा जगह पे रेंट लो या क्या करो. It becomes a problem. Mistake there is you are buying the house through linear income. इनका माइंडसेट क्या है? बिजनेस वालों का माइंडसेट क्या है कि आप एसेट क्रिएट करो. You know, build something in your part time, okay? And instead of spending money every time you collect, you invest it in an asset, okay? And when the asset generates income, then you buy a house, buy a car with it. So if you got fired at work, अगर बॉस ने थोड़ा भाव हुआ दिखाया, तो उसको बोला heck with you, because you are not paying for your house from his income. You understand? This is what network marketing is. Our business is that. Building an asset. ये लोग समझते नहीं हैं. लोग समझते हैं कि कुछ प्रोडक्ट लेके इधर भागो, okay? That is fine too. Nothing wrong with it. Nothing illegal about it. But we want you to sell product, but we want you to build an organization that moves the product into the marketplace, right? So this is the asset part, okay? Now, the reason I'm talking about this, even though you know about this, is ये क्या है? ये self-employed है और ये investor है. अभी आप big business, दो type के big business हैं. Business type है. हमारा business, I'm not talking about our business. Let's say somebody like Bill Gates, Microsoft हो गया. उनका target कौन है? सबसे ज़्यादा पैसा कौन सा ग्रुप से बनाते हो? E. ये जो बाकी के रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं, अरे ये हॉल का इनकम सबसे ज़्यादा किन लोगों से आता है? E. You understand? Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, उसका valuation, I don't know how much it's being valued at the company. और Amazon is $100 billion. Amazon का target कौन है? E. आपके politicians हैं, चाहे बीजेपी हो या कांग्रेस, सबको वोट्स चाहिए. किसके पीछे पड़े हो लोग? E. ये सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड आदमी है, लॉयर है, डॉक्टर है, पिज्जा स्टोर ओनर है, किसके पीछे पड़ा है वो? E. सब इसके पीछे पड़े. इसको डिस्ट्रैक्ट करके कंफ्यूज करना दुनिया का प्रोसेस है. That's what they do. आपको टाइम नहीं देते हैं सोचने को. आपके बॉस आपको टाइम नहीं देने देते सोचने को। टीवी एडवर्टाइजिंग किसके ऊपर होता है? इसके लिए होती है। इसके पास टाइम ही नहीं है, इसके पास टाइम नहीं है, इसके पास फेसबुक में जाने के लिए टाइम नहीं। आप डॉक्टर से पूछो, हाँ कभी कभी जाएगा, ये ना, इसके पास टाइम ही नहीं है कि फेसबुक में जाके लगाओ मैंने खिचड़ी बनाया आज। इसके पास टाइम नहीं है, इसके पास मेंटालिटी नहीं है, ये नहीं करेगा ऐसा, बिकॉज ये अपना टाइम, अपना दिमाग को प्रोटेक्ट करता है, इसलिए बड़े बड़े हाइट्स पे पहुंचता है, इंक्लूडिंग मार्क ज़करबर्ग। आपको क्या लगता है मार्क ज़करबर्ग फेसबुक पे पोस्ट करते रहते हैं, मैंने अभी पैंट पहना, मैंने अभी टोपी उतारा, मैं बाथरूम में हूँ, मैं करता है वो आप लोगों से करवाता है। किससे करवाता है वो? इससे। ये है, यू आर द टारगेट मैन। टीवी एडवर्टाइजिंग, ये करो, सोचने का टाइम नहीं देते हैं आपको। इफ यू डोंट टेक कंट्रोल बैक ऑफ योर लाइफ, यू आर डन। क्या है कि यहां पे एक तो चीज है कि 50 साल किसी और के लिए काम करो, यू आर नॉट बिल्डिंग एन एसेट फॉर योर सेल्फ, यू आर लिविंग इन समबडी एल्सेस ड्रीम। हमेशा कंफ्यूजन होता है यहां पे होता है डिस्क्रिमिनेशन। ओ मेरे को प्रमोट नहीं किया, मेरे जूनियर को प्रमोट कर दिया। वो आर्ग्यूमेंट क्यों होता है घर में? क्योंकि आप किसी और के सपने में हो, कोई और बिजनेस शुरू किया है, राइट? ओ मैं लड़की हूं इसलिए मेरे को डिफरेंशिएट किया। अरे खुद का बिजनेस स्टार्ट करो ना, कौन आपको डिफरेंशिएट करेगा? पहले ही दिन से आप सीईओ हो, राइट? इसमें लेके कंप्लेन, मेरे रिलीजन के कारण मेरे को डिफरेंशिएट किया गया। क्यों? तुम किसी और के सपने में हो, यू आर बिल्डिंग समबडी एल्सेस इक्विटी, सो यू डिजर्व इट। वो कुछ भी करेगा, उसका बिजनेस है ना बॉस, राइट? हम लोग सब उसके थ्रू गए हैं। मेरे डैड को भी, ही डिडंट गेट अ चांस टू गो टू कॉलेज, बट ही वाज वेरी ब्रिलियंट, ही वाज मैथ में एक्सीलेंट, एंड ही यूज्ड टू कम एंड से प्रमोशन उनको नहीं मिला, मिलना चाहिए था, नहीं मिला। खुद का बिजनेस करना है ना। ही इवन ट्राइड बिफोर दिस बिजनेस में आके उनका फाइनल ड्रीम फुलफिल हुआ कि प्लैटिनम तो गए Q12 फाउंडर्स, मेरे पेरेंट्स, यू नो, बट टिल देन यू डोंट गेट एनीथिंग, यू नो, इट्स लाइक डेस्परेट होता है लाइफ में। ई क्वाड्रेंट में लोग ना वो ट्रैपीज आर्टिस्ट की तरह जीते हैं। वो जो होता है ना ट्रैपीज आर्टिस्ट सर्कस में, एक डंडा छोड़ो और फट कर दूसरा पकड़ो, वो मंडे टू ट्यूसडे, फिर घूमो थोड़ा, ट्यूसडे टू वेडनेसडे, यू लर्च फ्रॉम वन डे टू अनदर। यस और नो? अच्छा ये बताइए, ये किसके पीछे पड़ा है? इन्वेस्टर। ये अल्टीमेटली किसके पीछे पड़ा है? ओके ये बताओ, हम किसके पीछे पड़े? ई। लेकिन व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? वी आर गिविंग देम द सेम अपॉर्चुनिटी वी हैव। समझे आप? We are giving them the same bonus structure we have. In fact, we are giving them a chance to make more money than us. We are empowering them. We are telling them, boss, if you are spending, किसके पास यहाँ पे, I don't know how Android works. iPhone किसके पास है? Okay, you know the battery, when you look at the battery section, if you wait, it loads all the apps. It says, what is the battery use? There's a little clock on the side. वो क्लॉक को क्लिक करोगे, it tells you how much time you're spending on each app. It is disgusting for most people. It is horrible. If it says, if your number is 6 hours per day, that is 6 hours you're lost in somebody else's dream. I spend time on my phone also, but it's either immediate family or business. I post on Instagram, but I post for my business. But I don't follow anybody. I follow some people. I never look at their posts. I don't have time for all that. I have people that follow me. We want to give a good impression about a business. I use social networking for my business. I don't use it to see कि मेरा दोस्त लोग वैकेशन पे गया, आइसलैंड पे गया. अभी आजकल तो सब लोग जाते हैं, right? अभी स्कॉटलैंड से आए हम लोग. I'll tell you one trip. I came from, we went to Scotland. क्या treatment दिया? They put us in this place called Glen Eagles, which is right next to the #1 golf resort in the world, where golf was basically born. St. Andrews golf course in Scotland. They took us to beautiful suite. They took us falconry. आपने देखो falcon होता है ना, falcon bird, okay? Uska, how they train those birds for hunting. You must have seen that video somewhere. Anjali's hand, yeah, that bird flying, right? Okay. Then they took us off-road driving. Off-road driving, just drive the, SUV on just rocks and streams and water and all that. Fantastic. Then they took us to the oldest Scotch, Scotland, the Scotch distillery. Okay. And they flew us in helicopters. Listen to this, guys. The country of Scotland, aviation, that Edinburgh area, they had never faced this before. The pilots told us they flew us 8 helicopters at a time, 2 trips, to a castle in Edinburgh, landed on the castle grounds, and they did these Highland games, jo purane zamane ke games hain. They brought that era back to us, entertainment and food, and then they took us to this the Queen's yacht, wherever the Queen stays. They blocked the whole yacht for us, and they had this dinner. Usme kya hai कि dinner में it's unbelievable for a guy from Chembur, middle class. It is unbelievable because you sit down like the Queen. Everybody's sitting there, and वो आते हैं ना style में सब आते हैं. You got one waiter, one waitress per person. So सब खाना like each dish they'll come and they'll stand behind you. तो खड़े line में आप लोग सब बैठे हो. They stand like that with a dish. अभी तक आपके सामने रखे नहीं है ऐसे. And then they'll turn like that. और उधर एक conductor होता है उनका. जब सब line में then they align all the waiters ऐसे करेगा तभी सब फटक साथ में food रखते हैं. And then they remove the dome. Only thing I'll tell you, don't eat the national dish of Scotland. Vegetarian, and don't care even if you are non-veg. When you go to Scotland, national dish mat khao. Please. Just say you're vegetarian, okay? That's the only thing I'll tell you. But they treat us like unbelievable. I go back from here, I have a trip to Germany. Then we go to Prague. We are invited in the Jaeger team to speak at Prague in end of October. But these trips are first class, guys. Total class, man. They had us with a designer chef on top of that Marina Sands Bay Hotel. This guy was Justin something. And as usual, other people that were chef aware, they knew who he was. I didn't know who he was. Because I'm very careful about my awareness. I keep it where it helps my business. Okay? And people throw names, कोई नाम बोलेगा तुमको आके मेरे को पता नहीं कौन है. पढ़ा नहीं न्यूज़पेपर नहीं पढ़ा. क्यों? वो मेरे बारे में पढ़ता है क्या? पहला बुरा लगता था मेरे को कुछ भी मालूम नहीं है. टाटा का चेयरमैन कौन है, इसका कौन है, नया जियो फोन आया, उसका 4G प्लान क्या है, ये है वो, कुछ मालूम नहीं. But my income goes up. I know my family very well. I spend a lot of time with my kids, with my wife, with my mother, with my sisters. I spend a lot of time. I know what is happening in my family. I have some groups, 1 or 2 WhatsApp groups with my family. The rest is all business. Hello? So, are you willing to change from inside, Are you willing to... See, this is not a business for everybody. In fact, we used to say, if I can do it, you can do it. That's not true. If I can do it, maybe you can try. Basic you can do. You can go show the plan, but do it if you want to build a big team. That requires discipline. उसके लिए आपको अंदर से थोड़ा change ऐसे करना पड़ेगा. You have to put down your cell phone. Stop doing... And cricket. How many of you love cricket? In India, you love cricket. That's fine. But how much mental energy will you spend watching somebody else succeed? You tell me. How much mental energy will you spend? See, if you play with your dreams, you will not play with the dreamers. Last year, Rajneesh Chopra came and took Kanti and I and Manipal and Renuka and Anjali. We all went to a US Open game between Nishikori and Andy Murray, UK. $2,500 seats they had got for us. $2,500 seats. And they got us a lounge access, free food and drinks and everything. तो हमने स्टाइल से देखा हो, right in the front. मेरे पीछे एक बंदा था. Every few minutes, go Andy. मैंने उसके ऊपर start तो break होता है ना बीच में. I talk to him, but I follow Andy Murray. I am from I think Scotland, Ireland. Where is he from? Wherever he is. Says, yeah, and I go everywhere Andy plays. पहले तो मेरे को आई टेल देम इन इंग्लैंड, कैन यू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश? बहुत गुस्सा आ जाता है उन लोगों को. एनीवे, नेवर माइंड. ओके, ही सेज आई फॉलो हिम एवरीवेयर, आई ट्रैवल वेरेवर ही प्लेस. He spend all that money, yes, and I get these seats too, $2,500 seats. And he's saying, I'll tell you one thing, Andy Murray did not want to hear from this guy. Go Andy, go Andy. अभी Andy की गर्लफ्रेंड उधर बैठी है, वो भी बोल रही है go Andy, go Andy. उसके ऊपर ये, every time he said go Andy, Andy Murray look at him, चुप यार. But ये छोड़ नहीं रहा था. He wanted to get his investment worth $2,500. Why would you follow somebody else that passionately? I don't know. See, ये लोग नहीं सोचते ऐसे. देखेंगे स्कोर देखेंगे, एक दो मैच में आगे जाके बैठेंगे, but they are not going to follow. I am not going to spend that much time learning everything about Sachin Tendulkar, even though he's great. I'm proud that he's an Indian and everything. I love it. He's an achiever. But I don't, एक limit के बाद I don't want to invest energy following somebody that much. You understand what I'm saying? Because he doesn't know me. Hello. आपको ये बात शायद अच्छा नहीं लगता है. Then you decide यहीं पे रहो, आप खुश रहो. आपको यहाँ पे स्ट्रेस होगा, हेल्थ होगा, इसलिए हमारा कस्टमर बन जाओ. What is PDO? प्रोटीन. हाँ, प्रोटीन डेली ओमेगा, PDO खरीदो हमसे. You will be little less stress, not stress free but less stress. आपको healthy habits सिखाएंगे हम. So you have to change. You have to get the mentality of a winner. Listening to the streaming. How many of you are on Smart Touch app? Smart Touch. Okay, that's pretty good. The rest of you need to get on it. Because वो investment नहीं है. Everything is optional, of course, you know. But it's common sense that you should be able to relate to people. People are emotional, right? People want to know that if I can I really build this business? I am a doctor. तो आप क्या करोगे? आप डॉक्टर नहीं हो, वो पूछता है मैं डॉक्टर हूँ, आप मेरे को प्लान दिखा रहे हो, तो आप किसी डॉक्टर का उसको सीडी दोगे? या so maybe that will appeal to them. Is that common sense? Okay, because people move the products, right? Products don't move people. And so we need the system. We need the system strength for that. ठीक है? फिर next thing I want to do is get some Gen Y people here. Okay? I want some Gen Y, like Manat. Anybody that is second generation is building. Can you come up, please? Who is there, first of all? कौन है यहाँ पे? Okay, good. Okay, wonderful. Huh? नहीं, pin नहीं, आ जाओ. Let's see. There's too many of them? It's okay. I'll just pick a few. अरे बाप रे. Very good. So you tell us quickly, okay? अरे बाप रे. ये तो half the crowd is Gen Y, man. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So jaldi you tell me whether you are prospected by somebody or your parents are in the business. Okay, how many of your parents are in the business? Parents are in the business. Okay. How many of you just signed up even though your parents are not in the business? You signed up already? 1, 2, 3. 2. Okay. All right. Okay. What? Parents again. Parents. Okay. What level? Who are your parents?
Vidyadhar Gokhale, 18%.
Vidyadhar Gokhale, 18%. Okay. Who's the diamond, you know? Who's your?
NPC.
NPC, yeah.
Daniel and Sandhya, platinums.
Ah, Daniel and Sandhya. Are they here?
Yes, they're there.
Where is Vidyadhar? He's here? Your dad's here?
No, Dad.
No. Huh? Who? Where is Daniel? I don't see him.
My mom is there.
Where is Sandhya?
There.
Huh?
There, right there.
Okay. All right. Good. Who else?
Monil Gosa, parents 12%.
Are they here?
Yes, they are right there.
Manish.
Mayur Gosa.
Mayur is your parent. Father. Mayur and?
Mayur and Bhavna Gosa.
They're both here. Okay, good. Yeah. Your parents on the. Who prospected you?
My best friend, Sagar.
How old are you?
I'm 23.
Okay. How you still live with your parents?
No.
Okay. Where are your parents?
I live with my.
You will live with the parents. They're okay with you building the business.
Yes. Before a few days before they are
हिंदी
not.
बोलना तो बोलो. हिंदी बोलना तो बोलो.
No. पहले वो मतलब they are.
नाम क्या तुम्हारा?
against Gopal Thakur.
ठाकुर मतलब? What do you speak? हिंदी.
नाही, मराठी.
मराठी बोला. मराठीत बोला.
नाही माझे पेरेंट्स ते आधी म्हणजे निगेटिव्ह होते बिझनेसहून. अजून पण निगेटिव्ह आहेत. पण थोडंसं आता मी थोडं मॅनेज करतो आणि
Okay. See, that's why I asked. वो लोग कभी मीटिंग में आया क्या? मैं ऐसा एकदम फैंटास्टिक मराठी बोलता हूँ, लेकिन तभी जब कोई महाराष्ट्र नहीं है तभी मैं बोलता हाँ.
एक बार आए थे
एक बार
आए थे
आपका अपलाइन कौन है पता है? प्लैटिनम डायमंड
मिश्रा जी
अरुण मिश्रा जी. तो आपने कभी उनको मिला है आपके पेरेंट्स को?
मिला है.
अच्छा ठीक है. दैट प्रोसेस इज गोइंग ऑन. वेरी गुड. पेरेंट्स? हाँ.
Rakesh and Shama Handa, Silva.
Are they here?
Yeah, they're sitting at the top.
Who अपलाइन कौन है? अपलाइन
Upline is Snehal and Uday Pawar, and Diamond is Nanda and Sangeeta Shringari.
वेरी गुड. पुणे. Where do you live?
I live in Bombay itself.
Mumbai?
Yeah.
Acha. They're silvers, no? Your parents?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir Neeraj Khadagde, my mom and dad, they've sponsored me. The name is Jayashree Khadagde and Santosh Khadagde. The uplines are Snehal Pawar and Uday.
What level are your parents?
Star 15.
Star 15. Very good. कुटे आया तुमसे? Okay. इधर से एक ही सब एक ही दिखता है. आपको एमरल्ड शायद जाके इधर आना है. Okay, yeah. Parents?
No, prospected. I'm just saying, my planner applies are Satish Mishra along with Gaurav Dixit and Kansha Dixit, and from Amarpreet and Shrina Charles team.
Wonderful. Good. So you're a student?
Yes, student.
What are you studying?
BCom, and this, last month I went 9%.
9%. And you live with your parents?
Yes, I do.
They are okay, positive, negative, neutral?
Yes, they love it. They were
Why do they love it?
because they have seen a lot of change in me, and my mom was there at my recognition today in Pune. So we're basically from Pune, just for you.
So your parents are able to see the positive, okay? Yeah. The thing is ना, if अगर parents आपके अंदर changes देखेंगे ना, positive changes, then they will see. Say, boss, something good is going on, right? वो आपको थोड़ा marketing करना है ना? Okay.
Sponsored by Jignesh.
What's your name?
Arnab.
Arnab.
Yeah.
Sponsored by?
Jignesh Sangvi and Platinum Chetan Desai and Vinay Desai.
Oh, very good. What are you, student?
No, I'm a sound engineer, professional sound engineer. So job.
You make a lot of money? Sound engineer?
No.
Okay. Just checking. Just checking. Okay. Sound engineer is not a sound business to be in, huh? Okay, yeah.
Sponsored by Dr. Bharat Sharma sir and Vijay ma'am and Platinum Dr. Ramod Yadav sir.
What do you do? क्या करते क्या हो?
Student sir.
क्या पढ़ रहे हो?
अभी 12th.
12th.
Parents, Parul and Nilesh, Rajvi Shah,
Parul and?
Nilesh Shah,
What level are they? Do you know?
12%.
Nilesh and Parul. Oh, Nilesh and Parul. Yeah, Nilesh. Yeah, I know this guy. Yeah, you have to go like platinum this year, no? You're one of those, right? किसका ये डायमंड शिप में है? कार्तिक एंड गौरी का. अरे थोड़ा आप थोड़ा बैठिए प्लीज आइए. अरे यार मैं अटेंशन में खड़ा हो गया अभी. दिस इज लाइक डायमंड शिप टाइप्स ना. ओके. और कोई है तो मेरे को बोल देना इधर. डायमंड शिप टाइप.
Okay, I'm Renu, and my appliance is Dr. Gauri and Dr. Karthik. And I work in a company. We are basically into buying bad loans from banks.
Buying bad loans from banks? Okay. You work in a bank, basically.
I work in an ARC, asset reconstruction company, so we buy bad loans from banks.
Oh, okay. You don't work in a bank.
No, I don't work in a bank.
If you work in a bank, I want to ask you if you get any free samples. But anyway, yeah.
कृपाशा मेरे मॉम डैड ये बिजनेस करते हैं. नीला रमेश कोलड़िया और मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ.
And what's your name? Krupa. Very good. You just go platinum, na? Then problem is solved, right? Okay.
Tanmaya Patil, my uplines are my parents, Chaitanya and Akshaya Patil, platinum.
Chaitanya Akshaya, who's your upline?
Chetan and Bina Desai mentors.
Your parents are here?
Yes,
What level are they?
platinums.
Chaitanya किधर है? Akshaya. Ah. From here you look like Girish Singh. Okay.
Tanaya Patil, daughter of Sunil and Supriya Patil, founders Platinum.
Sunil and Supriya. I know them. Where are they? Good. Okay, good. Wonderful. What do you do?
Final year engineering student.
What engineering?
IT.
IT. What do you do?
I work as a wellness coach.
Wellness coach. Okay. Do you use our products?
Yes, I do.
How about you?
Masters in botany, second year.
Masters? क्या बात करता है? I thought you were in like first year, like just out of school or something. My God. And you?
I told you distress sector.
You what?
Distress sector. I buy
You
bad.
said that. You're the bank, loan bank. Sorry. Nikki, who are your parents?
Chetan and Beena Desai, Sapphire.
Chetan and Bina Desai. Where are they? Ah, Chetan. Look, his hair has gone silver. So they are, what level are they?
Sapphires.
Sapphires, right? Okay, good. And what do you do, Nikki? You are
Studying interior architecture.
architecture. Interior architecture. It is a little better than interior design. I don't know what it is, but it's good. Okay, yeah.
Anubhav Singh, son of Dr. Narendra Pratap Singh and Vanita.
What are you doing now?
Just completed my engineering in electronics.
Good. Excellent. How is it like growing up in a diamond home?
Absolutely positive and awesome. You have all the support you need, and I guess everybody can do it. Like, I've seen my parents build the business since I was a child, and the tremendous amount of changes which has occurred during the whole process, it's altogether a different thing. So I guess everybody should go forward and build it passionately.
For the kids, right? Yeah. And Nikki, you see that impact? Yeah. Growing up in a home.
So, my house, the atmosphere in my house is very different than I see at my friend's place or somewhere. So it's very positive all day, just like how it is in a team meeting or just this.
One thing, it's worth it, right? Yeah. See, there are not many parents that are grooming their children to take up their own profession. Honest to God, tell me honestly. I don't mean to put you down, okay? मेरे को सच बताओ. Who amongst here wants their child to do their profession that they're doing? Show me your hand. Anybody who wants their child to do their profession? Anybody? There might be a few people, like doctors maybe, right? Okay? But most people, सवाल समझ में आएगा नहीं? They understood, no? Not one hand I saw, okay? It's the truth. But people who are building this business want their children to be exposed. Where is Manat? Manat didn't come up. You should come up too. But we get you. You're like the superstar. You're already platinum. Is she the only one that's platinum, right? In the second generation, right? How come she beat you? You should all get on. Good inspiration, right? With Manat today, right?
Vignesh Kumar, son of Kumar and Minakshi. And
very good. Where is he? Very good. This is a done deal this year, right? Kumar, yeah.
And applying mentors Ram and Rusha.
You sure miss them. So, what are you doing now, Vignesh?
I am first year BA.
First year BA. Okay, good. Excellent.
Rahul Nadkarni, son of Seema Nadkarni, Upline Platinum Shilpa Matre, and Upline Diamonds NP and Vinita Singh.
Okay, wonderful. What do you do?
I'm a chartered accountant doing a job.
हो गया चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट अरे बाप रे ये देखो फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट let me tell you going pin winner क्या है
I'm all India rank holder at 2 levels of CA.
Oh, whatever that is sounds good. What pin winner?
I'm on 9%.
9%. Wonderful. Whoa. I mean, in terms of mental stress, diamond is like 1/1,000,000th of CA, okay? I'm not talking about practicing CA, I'm talking about this exam, getting through. Amazing, very good.
Hi, I'm Apeksha Singh, daughter of Dr. NP and Vinita Diamonds going crown.
And you're going to be a lawyer?
Yeah, I'm pursuing my lawyer, first year BA LLB.
इतना पैसा बनाओगे एक lawyer तो चाहिए family में. You know, because, the legal system has nothing to do with who's right, who's wrong. It is who's got the money, right? Okay? Anyway, yeah. And the power, yeah.
Hello, I'm Sagarika Iyer, daughter of Kalyani and Sadashiva Iyer, and our emerald mentors are Dr. Ram and Usha.
Are they here, Kalyani and?
Yeah, they're sitting here.
Okay, very good. Okay, what do you do?
Second year mass media student.
Second year mass media student. Why are you here today?
I just love the business. I love the people actually. The way it's very positive. So the kind of people I meet when we go for medias and when the people who are there, we have to manipulate a lot when it comes to PR. But here it's very positive and I feel really good when I'm around you people. So.
Come on, she's so right. What's your name again?
Sagarika.
सागरिका sure right so right I mean this is the only business ये एक ही business है जिसमें politics नहीं है जिसमें connection नहीं चाहिए जिसमें corruption नहीं है कुछ नहीं है कि ये business छोड़ोगे तो और most people have no other choice right okay amazing okay and the kids can see it see that is what I'm saying see this can be boring if you're not aware of what I'm showing you have to use your imagination when Ranveer and Priscilla were speaking what happened on February 17th you should want to know. You should want to put the pieces together. Who organized this meeting? Why would they do it? Okay. Why are these teenage kids there talking proudly about their parents? And where do you see it? Anywhere else? Have you seen it anywhere else? Or kahin dekhte ho aap log? Yeah. Just something, do something. NP is doing this, so whatever. Okay. Okay, so then I've talked to all of them, right? I've got a message for all of you in the end, okay? We're getting to a point. But आपको सोचना पड़ेगा कि कौन सा बिजनेस में सेकंड जनरेशन को खड़ा करते हैं और बोलते हैं कि व्हाई आर यू एक्साइटेड अबाउट अ बिजनेस होता है कहीं और आईटी में होता है आपके जॉब में होता है तो दैट इज द थिंग्स दैट गेट्स टू यू दिस इज व्हाई पीपल बिल्ड दिस बिजनेस बिकॉज दे सी इन मल्टी डायमेंशंस कि क्या क्या हो रहा है स्टेज में जो हो रहा है सीडी में सुन रहे हैं ठीक है देन यू सी द पीपल एंड देन यू शुड ऑल्सो स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू पीपल यू डोंट मतलब यू आस्क गुड क्वेश्चंस नॉट इंटरफियरिंग क्वेश्चंस आपके बिजनेस में कितने लोग हैं इज नॉट अ गुड क्वेश्चन बट आप अगर किसी टीनेजर से मिलोगे बोलते क्यों एक्साइटेड हो क्या कारण है बिजनेस बिल्ड करने का आपका मोटिवेशन क्या है देन यू नो हाउ टू इंट्रोड्यूस देम टू योर गेस्ट अगर आप किसी टीनेजर को इन्वाइट करोगे तो राइट वेयर आई स्टॉप सागरिका आप बोलो
माय नेम इज सौरभ कन्नौजवार स्पॉन्सर मेरे फ्रेंड ने स्पॉन्सर किया था मुझे उमेश लिंडे एंड अप्लायंस प्रशांत सर राजोले एंड रोहिणी मैम
क्या करते हो व्हाट डू
स्टूडेंट
व्हाट इज स्टडीइंग
बीकॉम टीवाई बीकॉम परस्यूइंग टीवाई बीकॉम
क्यों आपने ये बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया
सर बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी है सर ये एज में इतना अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलना इट्स बिन लकी सो फार बहुत लकी है खुद को बहुत लकी मानता हूँ एक्चुअली जॉब में कभी अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलता है सर
पेरेंट्स
नहीं है सर लेकिन मॉम बहुत सपोर्ट करते हैं बिजनेस के लिए मुझे
करती है ना वेरी गुड एक्सीलेंट या
नेम विजय स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय टीना जरीवाला एंड अपलाइन प्लैटिनम्स डॉक्टर एनपी एंड विनीता सिंह हाँ
किधर है टीना हाँ देयर शी इज ओके गुड हाँ ओके व्हाट्स योर नेम
विजय
क्या करते हो आप
सेकेंड ईयर बीकॉम स्टूडेंट
पेरेंट्स हैं आपके बिजनेस में नहीं पेरेंट्स कोऑपरेटिव
हाँ
वेरी गुड सपोर्ट यू
सपोर्ट
तो वो जरूरी है यू नो that's one thing you got to watch out for Gen Y you know if parents are not supportive you got to see how you can make that happen especially अगर वो उसी घर में रह रहे हैं right okay very good huh I'm sorry yeah okay go ahead
Hello, good evening. My name is Ritu Gupta, daughter of Sushil and Rita Gupta, and my line is Dr. NP and Vinita ma'am.
Sushil and Rita Gupta? Where are you? Sushil, किधर हो आप? अरे वाह, what's your name again?
Ritu Gupta.
Ritu, okay. क्या, what are you studying?
Actually, I completed my BMS, and then after digital marketing, now I'm working with a celebrity management firm, and side by digital marketing, like for a small firm, I think I'm doing that thing.
So why are you here? Just because you didn't have anything else to do today, or?
I feel very attached from each and every meeting. I just come over here, so I feel very like fresh-minded. Yeah. So actually, whenever I just come over here, I take a dream towards my home, and I feel like whenever I walk in the train, bus, and everything, some thoughts on the mind is going on my mind. Suppose I'm traveling in train. I just look at the lady. No, I don't want to be that lady who is traveling in the train for 9 to 7 job. Actually, frankly speaking, I got selected for a more than 5 job, but I didn't find job very interesting, and I'm planning to quit this celebrity manage within like 3 months or something. I don't want to do job.
That's good. Excellent. I have a message for all of you at the end. Okay, yeah.
Hello, good evening. My name is Rishali Khag, star 15%, and my uplines are Snehal Pawar and Uday sir, and we are personally mentored by Nanda Shringari.
Your no parents are not in the business, right?
No.
Are they helpful?
Yes, totally, yes.
What do you say?
I am a college dropout, and I am not ashamed of it because I know that जो कुछ भी मैं कर रही थी in my college days, मुझे वो लाइफस्टाइल नहीं मिलने वाली है जो मुझे यहाँ से मिलेगी.
What is your name? What's your name again?
Vrishali Khag.
Good.
To my respected Snehal and Uday sir, as yesterday कल motivational जैसे कि आपसे मुझे speech मिला, and yesterday at 12:37 a.m. I personally messaged Snehal ma'am and I told her that this month September I am going silver. Yes, and that I promise you that I am going silver this month.
Does anybody doubt her? I don't know her business. I don't doubt her. You know why? You can look at her eyes. Look at the way she speaks. Those things cost no money. But I can tell in people's eyes when they have defeated already. You know, बात करते हैं लेकिन वो energy नहीं है. Energy is free, available to everybody. She's picked it up.
Hello everybody, my name is Dipali Haitamwar. I'm very proud to say Vrishali Khag is my upline.
So what is your September goal?
My goal is to be the strongest leg of my upline. I'm going star 15 this month.
Good.
हेलो सर माय नेम प्रतीक्षा हिरे मैं स्पॉन्सर जितेंद्र कोठोदे फ्रेंड ने सजेस्ट किया था और मेरे फाउंडर्स प्लैटिनम नीलिमा एंड कैलाश राजोड़े हैं.
क्या करते क्या आप?
मैं बीकॉम इस साल पास हुई और जॉब करती हूँ और ये बिजनेस पार्ट टाइम बिल्ड करती हूँ.
Very good. Okay, good.
Good evening, guys. I am Ms. Patil Nakshatra, daughter of Nandakishore Patil, and his upline is Emeralds, Dr. Ram and Usha.
What do you do?
I'm a student. I'm studying in 10th standard.
You can't sign up yet. You know that.
Yeah.
Cheating.
No.
You're operating under your grandmother's name or something?
No.
You haven't signed up.
No.
You just came to the meeting.
Yes.
You love the business.
I get positive vibes.
See? Are your parents in the business?
Yes.
Oh, who are your parents? I missed that part.
Nandakishore and Rekha Patil.
Are they here? Ah, parents in the business. Are 10th standard में prospect कौन ले आया? I was thinking. That's great. Very good. Excellent. What level are you, Nandakishore? Gold. Ah, Chan, ekdam. Okay.
Hi guys, I am Ish Patil. My parents are Nandakishore and Rekha Patil.
अच्छा ये width है, दो leg है ना, दो अलग leg है ना. आपकी sister आपकी cross line है ना, ऐसे होना चाहिए.
Upline mentors Dr. Ram and Usha.
Very good. क्या करते हो आप?
First year engineering.
First year engineering. So when she is ready, you should not sign her up personally. पता है ना आपको? बोल दिया आपने upline. क्यों पता है ना? Because जब business merge होएगा, finally, it is better that your sister and you are separate. It will be more profitable.
Hi, my name is Pulkit Sehgal. I got sponsored by my aunt Darshan and Surup Singh. My upline platinum some Ravi Kumar and Sunita. They're sitting there. And my mother is also in the business. I sponsored her. My parents.
Ulta.
Yeah. So I am I did my IT. I'm a degree in IT, but I am a fashion and commercial photographer. I have a company side, like it's a production thing that we are doing. And along with that, I'm building this business very
fast. Who's your emerald, you know?
Shankar sir.
Shankar. तो doubt है क्या नाम?
No, I was.
अच्छा.
It's a heavy name to take.
It's a heavy name, Shankar Devraj. Not like Devraj. Strong name, na?
My name is Siddesh Raikar. My parents are Dilip and Divya Raikar. And my upline diamond is Dr. N.P. Singh and Vinita Abi. I am in third year diploma IT engineer.
Very good. And your parents are who?
Dilip and Divya Raikar.
What is your level, Dilip ji? 12%. 12%. Very good. Excellent. What do you say? You're a student, you said, no?
Yes. Not yet signed up.
Not yet signed up.
4 months are remaining.
Okay, good. Yeah.
My name is Shailesh Musore, working as a content writer in Z News. And my founder, upline founder Platinum Supriya and Sunil Patil, and founder upline Diamond NP Singh and Vinita Singh.
Did you say your parents are in the business? No. You just got started. What do you do, you said?
Content writer.
Content writer. चल रहा है अच्छा पैसा मिलता है. क्या content लिखते हो?
News.
News. Okay. Oh, इससे बच के रहना है हमको है. You won't get much business here, huh?
हेलो सर, मेरा नाम है तन्मय महेंद्र चौधरी और मैं अपनी मम्मी के साथ पैशनेटली बिजनेस बिल्ड कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, कौन से वर्क करते क्या हो?
मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ 12th में अभी.
मम्मी कौन है?
अनित.
हाँ, अपलाइन कौन है पता है?
नंदकिशोर और रेखा पाटिल.
अच्छा, that is which LOS now? खन्ना, okay, very good, okay. आपको ये मैसेज देना है मुझे फटाफट and then I am going to bring up some people quickly. सी सेकंड जनरेशन जिनके पेरेंट्स बिजनेस बिल्ड कर रहे हैं, जिनके पेरेंट्स बिजनेस नहीं बिल्ड कर रहे हैं, अच्छा है कि उनके पेरेंट्स का सपोर्ट मिल जाए. अच्छा, जो देयर आर 2 things you have to think about, okay, if your parents are building the business. First thing is they're building an asset. वो लोग एसेट बिल्ड कर रहे हैं आपके लिए, उसको आपको मेंटेन करना है कि नहीं. सी लॉट ऑफ द किड्स क्या होता है कि जब these kids are all inspired, sometimes kids go into और कुछ करने लगते हैं, उनको एसेट समझाना है कि अपने पेरेंट्स ने ये एसेट बिल्ड किया है, उसमें इनकम आ रहा है. दैट्स अ वेल्थ मेंटालिटी दैट ई क्वाड्रेंट पीपल डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट. ई क्वाड्रेंट पीपल डोंट नो हाउ टू वैल्यू. यू नो, दे ओनली थिंक वन और दी अदर. अगर ये नहीं तो वो पकड़ेगा, ये जॉब छोड़ दिया दूसरा पकड़ेगा. कि वो ये नहीं सोचेगा कि अगर कोई एसेट इनकम क्रिएट कर रहा है तो उसको मेंटेन करना है. अभी कोई बिलियनर भी हो, ओके, अगर उसको आपने दिखाया कि यहाँ पे एसेट में 1,000 रुपया महीना आता है, वो छोड़ेगा नहीं, उसको मेंटेन करेगा, बिकॉज दे नो हाउ टू वैल्यू मनी. ओके, तो मैं हमेशा सेकंड जनरेशन लोगों को बोलता हूँ बिजनेस कि फर्स्ट जॉब इज यू हैव टू मेंटेन एंड योर पेरेंट्स एसेट. यू नो, अभी अगर आपके पेरेंट्स के 10 अपार्टमेंट्स हैं जिसका पे लोन उतर गया है एंड यू हैव रेंटेड इट आउट, यू नो, पेरेंट्स वांट टू रिटायर, जैसे आप संभालो, वहाँ का इनकम आपको मिलेगा, बट यू कैन से आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन अपार्टमेंट, राइट. तो मेंटेनिंग. सेकेंड थिंग इज बिल्डिंग. सी, बिल्डिंग द बिजनेस इज अ डिफरेंट बॉल गेम. उसके लिए यू नीड, अभी वृशाली सेड कि वो कॉलेज, शी लेफ्ट कॉलेज बिकॉज शी इज कंप्लीटली कन्विंस्ड. दैट इज एन इनसाइड जॉब, ओके, बट मोस्ट पीपल शुड नॉट डू दैट. दे शुड फिनिश देयर पाथ, बिकॉज आपको पता नहीं है कि see this business is built most effectively by people who have faced life a little bit. You know, there are exceptions, but many cases they should go ahead, finish their path, get their degree, go face life. Okay, I'm encouraging my daughters because they are academically challenged. She wants to study neuroscience, karo. But ultimately you have to be in this quadrant. If I let my kids just get lost in this, I'm a hypocrite. Hypocrite का क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? हाँ? Dumby. So this is the mentality, you know. So I just want to tell you कि वो 2 चीज़ है. So think about it. अगर आपका कोई ब्रदर या सिस्टर है या आपके बेटा या बेटी है जो यहाँ नहीं आया, उनको आप वो समझाओ कि we are building an asset, okay? Because success-minded people will never let go of a growing asset. I want to get some, I want to mention some names, but I want to get some people up here also. Hey, people that have confirmed to me repeatedly. Of course, there are other people also. But I mean, lack of time, I'm just bringing a couple of people here who have repeatedly come to me and said they're going diamond this year. Okay? ऐसा नहीं कि जिसका नाम मैं नहीं ले रहा हूँ diamond नहीं जा सकते हैं. Okay? You can definitely do it this year. But I have the names of people that are really rocking and rolling in the business. I'm going to bring a couple of them up, but before that, let me mention the other names, okay? I know that Manoj and Anuradha Pandey are cooking. Asim and Tanushree Mandal are cooking. Tarak and Krupa Bhuj. Who and Rajeshwari? I can't read your spelling. Huh? Ravi and Rajeshwari. Ramakant and Trupti. Amit and Kanika Ramani. You should have been a doctor the way you write, Shankar. Dr. Bhumika, okay? And I know that from the Gujarat team, we have Shambhu and Sandhya, Deepesh and Purva. I think they are on the web, right? Jatin and Bela, right? And Bhupat and Chetna had come up on stage too, claiming diamond, right? But I know there is 2 couples I want to bring up here. First, I want to get Chetan and Tripti Shukla here, okay? The downline from Karthik and Gauri, Arun and Pushpa, NP and Manita. Am I saying the LOS right? Yeah. Girish and Savita and Dr. Ram Usha. Shankar. Okay. So, Chetan, why are you so sure that you will be diamond this year?
We are putting in the work, Kumarji, and we are all over the place. Yeah, and we believe that definitely we'll be in A60. Yeah, we have
4 nights a week?
More than that.
5 nights?
7 nights.
7 nights. Okay, I've never seen them without a smile. Chetan and Tripti Shukla I have never seen them without a smile. Just watch. Don't smile. Just 5 seconds के लिए smile नहीं करना. ऐसे serious ऐसे रखना. नहीं होगा इनसे. I have never seen them without a smile. They are a happy couple. In fact, one of the checks is if you definitely go diamond is I asked them, do you fight once in a while? She said yes. That you need to do. Otherwise, there's no fun. Right? Priscilla? लड़ते ना थे? Did your parents ever argue? They fight? Your parents? Okay, they should. Okay? It should not be real serious, but it should be there. Otherwise, there's no fun. Okay? But this couple, they are not, see, they don't talk like I do. Okay? But I'll tell you that total confidence is there. Total confidence is there. And they are everywhere. Tell them about the Rajkot thing. Why did you go to Rajkot? What happened?
Kumarji, when you came to India, the Rajkot trip was not announced, right? And the qualification criteria was 15% it up in Mumbai. So मैं और तृप्ति बैठे थे, and तृप्ति और मैंने decide किया कि when the Rajkot trip was announced, we felt it was basically announced for us. So we sat down and said कि जो लोग qualify नहीं हुए, Rajkot trip was open to everybody, the Rajkot session. So we said कि जो लोग qualify नहीं हुए मुंबई में, that we should go to Rajkot. तो then मैं और तृप्ति ने first नक्की किया, first decide किया कि चलो we'll go to Rajkot. Then we started speaking to all our team who had not qualified. They were below 15%. So then we gathered people, and when we decided to go to Rajkot, we didn't have anybody on paper. कि वहाँ पे किसको बुलाएंगे, किससे बात करेंगे. But then we started exploring possibilities. So we decided to go one day earlier so that we can show more plans and get people to the team. And then I spoke to Arun Bhai. Arun Bhai said, why don't you stay in the same hotel as we are staying? So then we can associate with Arun Bhai also. So we decided the whole team, we traveled together in the train, around 5-6 of us. We stayed in the same hotel. We were at the Rajkot airport to receive you also. And by the end of the trip, we had more than 10 to 11 guests attending at that meeting. And we plucked...
We had plucked 5-6 legs. That was the criteria because, yes.
In the Rajkot meeting.
See, there is a big difference between doing your best and doing whatever it takes. You know, a mom doesn't do her best to take care of her children. She does whatever it takes. Yeah? This is whatever it takes. Okay, anybody could have gone to Rajkot. I'll tell you, there are some people that follow, they're the leaders. One of the persons that does it brilliantly is one of our EDC, Sugit Ajmani. I cannot go to a meeting without seeing somebody from his team. He just does not. If I am going to a meeting in Timbuktu, he'll find somebody to put in the audience. Right from the beginning. He's EDC now. But he will discipline himself to know my schedule. And he's always pinging me, WhatsApp, somebody he'll put there. Okay? And there are many examples I can give, but that reminds me of that. You know, we have to think out of the box. You have to think unlimited. Why not? Why would you just want a business just only in Mumbai, right? Why? I mean, Priyamvad is going EDC. I just talked to him, right? He sent somebody over here. When he found out, only this morning he found out, right? That person is in here. And I just talked to him, brand new EDC. If he's speaking anywhere, wouldn't you put people? So, no, I'm saying, if Amar is speaking, Ranbir is on fire. I don't care where he's speaking. Next BBS, if he's speaking in Manipur, I hope not, but you know, I would put people there. If I were you, you got the entire schedule. You got the whole world open for you. You got the internet. That's all God's blessing. You know, whatever it takes is what it takes. For a brief period of time, they asked me yesterday, my friend says, why did you succeed? I said, because I do whatever it takes. It is not balanced and measured and intellectual and nonsense, you know, too much thinking. Forget it. Okay? You're not thinking too much, right? Just doing the work.
Yes.
Are you afraid of doing the work?
Yes. No.
No, we are not afraid.
Are you working depth?
We are working depth. We are chasing the depth in B cities.
What is your goal as Diamonds? How many numbers you'll have at the function?
More than 1,000.
More than 1,000?
More than 1,000.
Which year will that be?
We are starting coming year, 17-18.
Which month you're starting?
We are starting by February.
We are putting in all the work. Kumarji, in multiple legs we are working wherever it is required.
How sure of you this year?
110%.
We are putting in more work for that, Kumarji. We are chasing the depth. And we are sure we'll find the leaders.
Good. Awesome. Good. Karthik and Gauri, come up here. Karthik and Gauri. What are the chances that you will not go diamond this year?
Not at all. No chances.
Percentage?
0. Zero.
Why are you so confident?
We are putting in the efforts, and all our legs that we have counted on, they all want to go and grow, and they want to see us as diamonds. They are, as you have taught, they are all in love with us.
Are you as confident as Ranbir was?
More confident.
Even me.
So what changed this year?
The fact that all 6 legs want to go platinum or founder platinum, and then they want to see us diamond, and we have also decided that we are diamonds because we want to vindicate the trust that all our uplines and especially that you have in us. We have to prove that you are right.
A60, you know, it's very special.
But frankly speaking, for me and Gauri, more attractive than A60 is just to prove that you are right.
Yeah. Good. Okay. So thank you, guys. Done deal. Okay. Here is the thing, guys. I will just conclude with Bill Britt's favorite topic. Bill Britt ने ये सिखाया कि जो बोलते हो होता है. You got to watch your words. It'll change your life. Okay. What I would say is stand in front of the mirror. आईने के सामने खड़े होके आप अपने आप को अपने गोल्स के बारे में एक डिटरमिन्ड एक स्पीच दो. आपको कैसे लगता है अंदर से? अगर बीच में आप सो गए तो there's a problem. खुद के टॉक में हाउ एनर्जेटिक डू यू फील? खुद को इंस्पायर कर सकते हो क्या आप अपने डायमेंडशिप, अपने 10 साल के गोल के बारे में? अगर आप बोल नहीं सकते तो कर नहीं सकते. आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, वो रियलिटी देखते हैं, मेरा तो इतना ही लग है, मैं कैसे बोल गया, दैट यू फिनिश्ड. मैंने बिल ब्रिट से ये सीखा है कि जितना सिचुएशन बुरा लगता है उतना ही आपको डिटरमिन्ड होना चाहिए, उतना ही. I am more determined than before. I am so sure we'll break 100 diamonds a year in my team, in India. Even though some people may say, where are they? They are there. Trust me. We are just getting started. Abhi shuruaat hai. Because you will get what you speak. Confident people win the game. People are not confident because of unlimited knowledge. They are confident because of unlimited faith. You understand? That I cannot be denied, I am a winner. End of story. You have to speak it first. Let me tell you, one of the reasons that you are not reaching your goals is because you are not able to speak it. And speaking it doesn't cost anything. You can start today saying, talking like Ranbir. Man, it is an absolute done deal. Kya bol rahe ho? Are you saying I can't do it? You should have strength. If you don't believe, your spouse doesn't believe, your children don't believe, your upline doesn't believe, it's like a little, I have diamond this year. Faith does not happen because of incredible knowledge. Faith happens because you have faith. That's it. You build faith. Faith means believing in the unseen. Bill Britt said you get what you speak. Bill Britt taught us the stick man. Why? I stand in front of people and sometimes I don't see the energy. I said, why? I'm not asking you to break 6 platinums tomorrow. I'm not asking you to break 100 diamonds tomorrow. I'm asking you to exude confidence because it's a prerequisite for everything. Why would you not be like a sher? Why would you be like a billy when you can be like a sher? Because both are free. Why don't you stick your sina out like Ranbir? वो बोलते हैं ना, किसी ने बोला किसी को you're out of shape. He said no, round is a shape. The man says to the wife that I want to give away all my clothes. So wife बोलती है give away क्यों? Donate करो ना, you know? No, he says I want to donate my clothes. She says no, throw it away. बोलते फेंक दो, donate क्यों करोगे अपने कपड़े? वो बोलता है कि इतने गरीब लोग, starving लोग हैं, भूखे लोग हैं, उनके जिनका फायदा हो सकता है. तो बोलती है अगर भूखे और starving तो तुम्हारा कपड़ा उनको फिट नहीं आएगा. Anyway, so Bill Britt said, ये तो $1 million information that changed my life. Okay, this is all coming together. मैंने बोला ना, investment in self. This is the human. मैं पूरा erase नहीं कर सकता because ये गिर जाएगा. This board can handle anything except erasing. Okay. Bill Britt ने बोला, इसका नाम क्या है? हाँ? बाबू राम. और ये भाभी राम. Okay. दिस इज द ब्रेन, राइट? द ह्यूमन ब्रेन. इसमें पॉजिटिव होता है, नेगेटिव होता है. ज्यादातर लोग ये बिजनेस में आते हैं, दे हैव मोर नेगेटिव देन पॉजिटिव इन देयर ब्रेन. क्यों? व्हाई? बिकॉज नेगेटिव इज ऑटोमेटिक. If there a piece of land that you don't do anything to cultivate it, you are not going to walk by one day saying, "अरे apple नहीं होने वाला है." What automatically क्या grow होता है उसमें? Weeds. Brain ऐसा ही होता है ना. Mind is like that. If you don't cultivate it, it is going to grow garbage. लोग क्यों नेगेटिव है हमारे बिजनेस में आने से पहले? क्योंकि ज़्यादातर वो न्यूज़ देखते हैं या वही सब कुछ जो मैंने बोला ई क्वाड्रेंट में, आपका दिमाग सटकाने के लिए. जो गूगल इज Amazon is $100 billion company because of E-quadrant. Google is $100 billion, whatever it is, I don't know what it is, because of E-quadrant. Okay? उसमें इतना जंक आता है अपना हमारे दिमाग के. They are all after programming, you know. अभी देखिए YouTube आप जाते हो, कुछ प्ले किया, YouTube ने क्या किया? They start playing the next video immediately. Instead of spending 5 minutes, you're spending 45 minutes. तो YouTube को देखकर Netflix ने सोचेगा हम भी ऐसे ही करेंगे. एक एपिसोड खत्म हो जाता है, दे स्टार्ट प्लेइंग द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड इमीडिएटली. एंड इफ यू आर नॉट कॉन्शियस लाइक आई एम, लाइक ब्रिट वर्ल्ड वाइड लीडर्स ऑफ प्रोटेक्टिंग योर ब्रेन, यू विल नॉट नो व्हेन टू टर्न इट ऑफ. एंड यू विल सिट एंड वॉच 24 episodes in one shot and fry your brain. Hello? I'm just telling you, they are after you. Don't fall prey to it. I'll tell you, Google ads आता है ना साइड में, Gmail में, they have stopped sending any ads to me because I don't respond at all. मैं देखता भी नहीं हूँ. They don't send any ads. I'm one of those free people. I can go to Gmail, I don't get any ads on the site. मतलब का कुछ नहीं आता है. देखता ही, because I never saw it and I didn't even realize that they don't have it anymore. Okay? So, हर चीज में क्लिक करो, हर बात का जानकारी करो. You don't need that much real estate wasted in your brain. You know? तो इसमें क्या है कि अगर नेगेटिव इतना है, पॉजिटिव इतना है. नेगेटिव आप डिलीट कर सकते हैं अपने ब्रेन से. You cannot delete something, ना. अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि फॉरगेट अ क्रोकोडाइल, आपको क्या है दिमाग में, क्या है अभी? जितना आप क्रोकोडाइल को भूलने की कोशिश करोगे उतना क्रोकोडाइल बढ़ेगा. यस? यू कैन नॉट डिलीट फाइल्स फ्रॉम अ कंप्यूटर, फ्रॉम द ब्रेन. यू कैन डिलीट इट फ्रॉम द कंप्यूटर, यू कैन नॉट डिलीट फ्रॉम द ब्रेन. ओके? तो क्या करोगे? आपका नेगेटिव थॉट्स, जब ये बाबूलाल पैदा हो गया था तो उसके मन में ये सब नेगेटिव थॉट्स से था, अभी भी हॉरिजॉन्टल था, राइट? ब्रेन इधर है, इतने कोई नेगेटिव थॉट्स से नहीं थे. कैसे आए थॉट्स? किसी ने बोला, किसी ने एसोसिएशन से, नेगेटिव लिसनिंग, सीइंग, यू नो. तो नेगेटिव तो निकलने वाला नहीं है. फॉरगेटिंग इज अ बैड वे टू फॉरगेट, बिकॉज टू फॉरगेट समथिंग यू हैव टू रिमेंबर व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू फॉरगेट, राइट? सो यू कैन नॉट डिलीट इट बट यू कैन डाइल्यूट इट. सो व्हाट यू डू इज, जो नेगेटिव इंफॉर्मेशन जहां से आता है उसको बंद करो. टीवी सीरियल थोड़ा बंद, सोशल मीडिया थोड़ा बंद. तुम ऐसे करो, तुम अपना दिमाग का देखो. वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमी छोड़ो, ये इकोनॉमी देखो. ये सेम पीपल हैंगिंग आउट टुगेदर, नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट ड्रीम्स एट ऑल. अगर आप ड्रीम्स की बात करोगे तो उनसे वो आपसे दोस्ती छोड़ देंगे. दे कांट हैंडल इट. सो व्हाट यू डू इज यू ऐड सो मच पॉजिटिव that the negative does not stand a chance. You didn't delete the negative, but you dilute it. This is what Brit Worldwide is, boss. This is Brit Worldwide. And one of the strongest ways of diluting your brain is when you speak yourself. खुद को कम करके मत बात करना कभी भी, because you hear it first. हम तो सिंपल आदमी हैं. छोड़ो यार, हमसे ये सब नहीं होगा. I don't like to talk to people. ऐसे सब बोलना बंद करो. बिजनेस में है, you have to talk to people. Even if you're selling dog food, you have to talk to people. Because dogs don't buy their own food. So start saying, I am a winner. And start dressing like a champion. एक दो अच्छे महंगे सेट लेना अच्छा है, rather than 20 सस्तास. You know, invest in yourself. Invest 10% of your income in yourself. CDs, books, clothes. And invest in your talk. Speak what you want. I am a winner, I am a diamond. Absolutely done deal, no doubts. People are fortunate to get in my business, that's it, period. I have the healthiest, happiest, most happening business in the history of this business, and I'm breaking 100 diamonds, that's it. I'm growing in every way, getting better in every way, great health, wealth, relationships, laughter in my life, accomplishment, momentum. This is how you speak, that's how you walk. Thank you.
While the techniques and approaches suggested may have worked for others, no one can guarantee that they will work for you. We hope, however, that the ideas presented here will assist you in developing a strong and profitable business. These materials have been produced independently of the Amway Corporation. Purchase